In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable data saver on your Instagram app. So if you go ahead and enable data saver, it means that files won't be loaded in advance on your Instagram app, and this will help save on data. So to enable this, go ahead and tap on menu icon here, and then under this, scroll down until you get to this option called data usage and media quality. If you go ahead and tap on it, now you see we have useless data, and under it we have data saver. So we are told that when data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. So go ahead and toggle on this, and now you can decide to leave the high resolution for Wi-Fi only, or if you want to make any change, you can as well make them here. So that's how you can enable data saver on your Instagram app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.